recursion proof. And I think like we can improve this number, but then the biggest problem is if we want to, how we can increase the recursion, the number of recursion to the biggest number, like for example like several thousand, like how we can do that. Like it's very difficult and also very challenging. And the point is like you not just like understand Plonky, but then you also need to make the proof generate really quick. For example, it will be the best if you want to build some product with the Ethereum. So the result, you have to make everything like really quick and maybe like prove everything in just several seconds. Like maybe it would be good if you can do it in like 7 seconds or even lower, so you can sync with the Ethereum, as long as like you can generate more proof than Ethereum can generate new block. Okay, I think like I'm not sure if no. Okay. Actually, a lot of change in Plonky2, and that prevent us to do the implementation for Plonky2 as well. I think many teams also have the same problem. Like right now, like you already have one example from maybe like random guy posted on the internet for Plonky2. Yeah, it just like in this we just check the example, like some random guy on the internet post the example about financing with Plonky, and the way that they write the air circuit. So I think like air is quite simple, and you cannot like write something really complex with air. For example, so for air, you already like take care about like you can think everything just like the execution tray. For example, like you have 2 execution tray, 2 of them, and then you want to make sure that your current step and previous step, how they link together. And I think like for air, you don't have enough like powerful tool to do a lot of like do something like copy constraint or other custom way. Okay, I think like that's all about the Plonky2 recursion. Like you guys can ask anything about this this topic. Thank you for you guys. Thank you guys. Do you have any question?